Hello and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you around this Kawasaki Ninja 650. This is a 2023 on a 23 plate. It's covered less than 400 miles and as you can imagine the condition is pretty much as brand new. The Ninja is a great bike. It can be A2 restricted. This particular one isn't and so you can only ride this on a full license presently, but they can be electronically restricted down for an A2 license. It's powered by a 649cc parallel twin engine that produces about 67 brake horsepower. So it's a really nice mid-tier, mid-sized bike. Obviously has the Ninja logo and is designed to look a bit more like a sporty machine, but in point of fact, when you actually look at the riding position, it's a bit more neutral. Looks very sporty, but actually is a very comfortable day-to-day bike. So to start at the front, this is the facelift model. You know, obviously over the years Kawasaki have improved their bikes. There's some cosmetic changes that I'll point out as we go compared to the previous model, and also some hardware software changes as well. So starting at the front, 17-inch lightweight wheels. There's signature wavy discs that you get with pretty much every Kawasaki now. 2-pot Nissan brakes, and also you get ABS as well as standard, as you should do on every bike now. It's finished in a really nice satin metallic grey, and then it's accented with some gloss black panels. Looks really nice. Bodywork's in fantastic condition. There are no major marks, scratches, dings or dents on the bike at all. Naturally it has been used, so there may be a few stone chips in the belly pan and so on, but on the whole, cosmetically this bike is very, very clean and tidy. Some of the changes they made on the facelift model, so you've got LED incorporated indicators here, new headlight, new front fairing to match the 600 RR version, if you like, and the 400 as well. So revised front end. It's got this kind of much longer snout and slightly taller screen as well. I actually really like it. I think it looks really cool. Around the side, excuse me, the tank and the actual seat unit itself are pretty much identical, as are the exhaust system, swing arm and so on. So pretty much all the cosmetic changes are up front. But the riding position, if you look, see how the seat height is actually quite low, and the bar position relative to the seat is quite high. So, you know, a super sport bike, you'd expect to see the bars, you know, down here. So if you're looking for something that you can use as a daily with some wind protection, this could be the bike for you. Totally standard bike, no aftermarket goodies at all. Obviously we can supply anything like that you want, crash protectors, tail tidies, all that stuff. We do fit any accessories that are purchased with the bike for free. So bear that in mind. If there's anything that you want, you know, like I say, anything from RNG, tail tidy, heated grips, all that kind of stuff, we can absolutely fit that for you at point of sale. The bike's going to come with the remainder of Kawasaki's warranty, but obviously is warranted by us for 3 months as well. Being a used bike, it will also come with free delivery within England and Wales. So if that's, you know, something that you're interested in, let us know. Obviously full service history, but then it hasn't really done any mileage, so as you would expect, it has got a full service history. All the service history on these bikes is now online, so there's no physical paperwork as such. It's all done on a USB stick. Chain, sprockets, brakes, tyres, all that stuff is checked at pre-delivery inspection, but obviously, you know, having done 400 miles, they're like new, as you'd expect, as you can see there. Comes with 2 keys and the owner's manual in the original Kawasaki wallet. There's the only bit of green that gives you an indication that it's a Kawasaki there. So one of the biggest changes for the facelift model were the electronics. So now you've got a full colour TFT dash to bring it up to date with the rest of the range. Mode selections and dash layouts can be changed using the left-hand switchgear here, but there's not a great deal of personalisation available, but it just looks so much nicer than the previous model, which was partially analog and partially digital. So on the left hand side here you've got gear position. KTRC is Kawasaki's traction control, so that gives you your traction control setting, which is also determined by what mode you're riding the bike in. 376 miles covered from new. You get lots of trip information, MPG and such down the bottom. Speed, rev counter, obviously you've got a clock there, and then your neutral light just on the right hand side. Give her a start up so you can have a listen. Really nice sounding engine, you know, fairly stereotypical parallel twin sound. These do sound really nice with an aftermarket exhaust on them, by the way. So again, if that's something you're interested in, let us know and we can give you a quote for that. Yeah, so the bike's going to come with a 3-month warranty from us, remainder of the warranty from Kawasaki. We do offer finance, we do offer part exchange. The free delivery is available to England and Wales only. We do deliver to Scotland for a charge. So if that's something you're interested in, or if you've got any general questions about the bike, please feel free to reach out. We've got WhatsApp, live chat, all the socials. Pick up the phone and ask us any questions that you've got, or feel free to drop in and try the bike on for size. That's it from me. Thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.